Stop. Don't skip this video, because what I'm about to explain is one of the simplest yet most powerful day trading concepts most traders completely ignore. This is very important, so sit tight, phone silent, mind sharp. No noise, no indicators overload, just one candle that can decide your entire trade. And yes, most traders will miss this. Why do most traders lose money? Because their charts look like Christmas trees. RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, Fibonacci, astrology, everything except price itself. But price doesn't lie, and one candle can tell you exactly who's in control, buyers or sellers. What is the one candle strategy? Now listen carefully. The one candle day trading strategy is a pure price action method where you use a single strong candle as your reference. That candle becomes your battle zone. It's high, it's low, it's open, it's close. These 4 levels are more powerful than 10 indicators combined. One candle, but big information. Which time frame to use? Very important rule. Don't ignore this. Best time frames: 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour. Avoid 1-minute charts unless you enjoy stress and heart attacks. Step 1. Identify a power candle. First step, identify a strong candle. What is a strong candle? Big body, small or no wicks, clear direction, bullish or bearish. This candle shows commitment, not confusion. See this candle? Buyers completely dominated. Sellers had no chance. Now pause the chart and do this. Mark high of the candle, low of the candle. These levels act like invisible walls. Price will either 1. Respect them, or 2. Break them violently. And that's where opportunity lives. Step 3. Entry logic. Bullish setup. If price breaks above the candle high, comes back and respects it, that's your long entry. Bearish setup. If price breaks below the candle low, retests and rejects, that's your short entry. Important line. Don't chase breakouts. Wait for confirmation. Patience pays. Panic destroys. Step 4. Stop loss and risk. Now this part decides whether you survive or die in trading. Stop loss. For long, below the candle low. For short, above the candle high. Risk only 1 to 2% per trade. Remember, one bad trade is fine. One bad risk habit is not. Step 5. Take profit logic. Take profit options, previous support or resistance, 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 risk reward, or trail your stop once price moves in your favor. Greed kills faster than losses. Common mistakes. Let me save you money right now. No trading every candle. No ignoring market trend. No using this during high-impact news. No over-leveraging. This is a sniper strategy, not a machine gun. One candle won't make you rich overnight, but discipline plus consistency plus price action will. Professional traders don't trade more, they trade better. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment candle, and I'll bring more real, no-nonsense crypto strategies for you. Trade smart, stay sharp, and remember, price is king.